Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bingo from Bluey. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the left eye with a large oval. Now let's draw another oval inside. And color this one in black. Now let's hop over on the right side and let's draw an angled line down for the top of the nose. Now on top, let's draw the other eye. Let's draw a curve up and back down. And then an oval inside near the bottom. And again, let's color this one in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's finish drawing the snout. From the angled line we drew earlier, let's curve it down and in like this. Now inside here, let's draw the nose by drawing a curve. And then a curved V shape underneath. Now let's hop inside and let's draw an oval at the top. Next, let's hop back down and let's draw the mouth. At the bottom, let's draw a curve over to the left and curve it up. Then at the end, let's draw a curve. Now let's draw another curve underneath. And then an angled line down at the end. Now let's move up under the left eye and let's draw another curve down and over to close off the mouth. Lastly, inside the mouth, let's draw a small angle for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's start drawing the shape of the body. Let's start on top and let's draw a line across. And then let's curve it down on the right. And the same thing on the left, but let's stop here about the same level as the mouth. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. On top of each eye, let's draw a curve like this. Then for the ends, let's curve it in and up underneath. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now behind them, let's draw the ears. Next to the left eyebrow, let's draw a line up. Then curve it over and down. Now let's do the same thing on the right, but this time let's draw an angled line behind the eyebrow up. And then curve it down on the right. Next, we're going to draw another V shape inside each of the ears. Let's start by going up and bring it behind each of the eyebrows like this. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move down and draw the arms. Let's start underneath the body line on the left and let's draw a diagonal line out. And the same thing underneath. And now hop over to the right side and let's draw two diagonal lines out from the side of the body. Next, let's hop inside each of the arms and let's draw a curve down. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start from the top and let's draw a bump up. And then 3 bumps going down. and then a small bump to close off the bottom of the hand. And lastly, inside, let's draw another curve. And that's it for the hands. Now let's move back in and let's finish drawing the shape of the body. Underneath the left arm, let's draw a line down. Then from both sides, let's curve it inwards. And then close off the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move inside and let's add some details. Let's start on top of each eye and let's draw a curve. And then a curve next to the mouth on the left, and one next to the nose on the right. Now top to the left side under the arm, and let's draw a curve along the side. And then inside on the belly, let's draw a curve across. And then curve it down on both sides. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Underneath the left side of the body, let's draw a line down and a shorter one next to it. And let's do the same thing underneath on the right. Now underneath the shorter line, let's draw a curve down for the tops of the feet. And then close off the bottom of each one with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across the legs. And then 2 curves inside the bottom of each foot for the toes. Now let's move over on the left side and let's draw the tail. From the bottom left of the body, let's draw a curve out and curve it down at the end. Now a curve out underneath, another curve underneath and in, and then one more curve back up into the side of the leg. Next, inside the tail, let's draw a curve down, and then a curve at the top. And that's it for Bingo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!